Step into the 2015 Lexus ES350. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Lexus infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power front seats, an outside temperature display, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, rain-sensing wipers, and a blind spot monitoring system. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.